So the other day I showed you guys my kind of impromptu version of my No Face Halloween costume. I decided to try to do like a full out version of it. Here we go. Actually pretty easy and quick, but I got a lot of compliments at Disney. I'm mixing my regular foundation with a foundation lightener, basically. Smooth it out, buffing it. So the only real difference in my makeup I'm gonna do is I'm gonna keep my eyebrows. Too much in my opinion, but what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take a little bit of foundation and kind of clean it up a little bit so it's not so harsh, because eyebrows are definitely not the main focus of this costume, so it's fine. What I'm gonna do, since I don't really want really harsh lines like with using actual face paint, I'm gonna use some eyeshadow for the most of the parts, the purple lines on his face. Everything is changing. Look at me. So what I normally would do if I was actually gonna be wearing this out, especially at Disney where you're sweaty and looking around and stuff, is I put a Makeup Forever waterproof eyeliner on my top lid, and that way I didn't sweat it off at all, and then I put a liquid eyeliner on top of that, and then I put setting spray on top of that. So I'm skipping 2 of those steps and I'm just gonna draw on the eyeballs. Kind of outline my face to kind of make the mask part of it pop a little bit, and that way I don't actually have to wear it. Like some people that do this costume put like scarves and things over their face around this area to cover it up, but I'm just gonna use some paint. She's just perfect for me. Using a lot bigger brush, I'm gonna hurry up and fill this in because I'm sure this is very boring. This is the worst part of this whole thing. Now, let me go put on my clothing. I'm getting black stuff all over me, but let me go put on my cape. So I just put on a black long sleeve shirt and I'm going to put on the cape. There we go. So, but yeah. I'm happy with it.